Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things innovative and essential for your lifestyle. Today, we're diving into a must-have product for anyone leading an active lifestyle, the blue blocking amber glasses for sleep by Spectra 479. These glasses are not your average eyewear. They're specifically designed to block out harmful blue light, which can disrupt your sleep and affect your overall well-being. Let's delve into why these glasses are the best prescription glasses for an active lifestyle. First off, let's talk about effectiveness. These glasses boast an impressive 99.9% blocking of blue light in the 450 to 510 nanometers range, the most disruptive wavelength at night. So whether you're working late on your computer or winding down with some screen time before bed, these glasses have got you covered. But it's not just about blocking out blue light. These glasses are designed with durability and comfort in mind. The TR90 thermoplastic frames are lightweight, flexible, and comfortable, making them suitable for a wide range of head sizes and shapes. Plus, the wraparound fit ensures that no sneaky blue light gets in around the sides or top of the lenses. Now, let's talk about the benefits. By wearing these glasses 1 to 2 hours before bedtime, you're creating your own virtual darkness bubble, allowing your body to naturally shift into nighttime physiology. This means better sleep onset and deeper, more restful sleep cycles. But don't just take my word for it. Customers around the world are raving about the difference these glasses have made in their lives. From reducing eye strain to improving sleep quality, the feedback speaks for itself. In conclusion, if you're looking to optimize your sleep and enhance your overall performance, look no further than the blue blocking amber glasses for sleep by Spectra 479. They're not just eyewear. They're a game changer for anyone leading an active lifestyle. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest and greatest products. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating.